Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at the progress of our summer squash. So let me just give you the update here. Right now it is April the 14th, 2022. We planted these in February on the 28th. And 10 inches down we stuck some fish into the soil and put a bunch of gardening lime on top of those fish, and then we stuck a bunch of sand back into the hole, and then we put the seeds in the sand about an inch, and then we put some mulch on top of the seeds in the sand, and here we are, a little over a month and a half later, getting some steady production starting out of these summer squash. You see, not all the plants are doing fantastic, but that was expected. Some people, they like to focus on one plant to a hole. I like to put many plants to a hole because I expect some of the plants to die off. So I want at least one plant to survive per hole. So let's take a look at what we got going on right in here. It looks like there's some baby fruit, some baby summer squash growing. I see some female flowers and I see some male flowers. Now if you want to get brave, you can actually pollinate the female flowers by using the male flowers, but you have to peel back all the petals. Now I believe this is the male flower right here because you don't see the fruit underneath of it. Okay? The females, they're gonna have the fruits like that. You can already see the little baby fruits on the females, like this right here. So you would peel back these petals and take the center of the male flower and just kind of rub it on the center of the female flowers when they're open. And that's how you force a pollination. It's very interesting what's happening here. But look down in there. What you can see too is you can see the flowers. You can tell which ones got pollinated and which ones did not. Because the ones that got pollinated, they'll continue to grow the fruit, and the ones that didn't will just die off. But I find that very amazing that we're seeing this much production so early on. But I think the fish in the soil really helps out quite a bit. Now last year we planted some summer squash late in the summer. I think it was like August. And we got a little bit of production out of one plant. But we used absolutely no fish, no nutrients, no nothing. We just went straight into the sugar sand. Didn't even use any mulch. And we got only a few fruit from those summer squash. And we had to fight off a lot of worms. Because late in the season is when the worms really start to take over. Anyhow, this is just an update. I'll keep you updated on the progress of these summer squash throughout the summer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out a lot. And have a good day.